hungry from morning, me no eat. Call my cousin Junior, yo.
Yeah, dog, call him my yo, call hungry.
Maybe him can send me a thing, dog. I'm hungry, dog.
Hello.
Yo, cuz. Beg a thing, no. Beg a $50, no.
Yeah, that my
My youth, you never have money yet, dog. I tell you how him stay, yo.
Cha no star, me done with the begging thing, yeah, man. Done. Me have couple family when no check for me. No. Never send clothes, never send no money. No. Only time me beg them are when me hungry. Oh.
Jabby Beats exclusive.
Me a talk about $50 that at the least. You know long me beg and all know me can't say it. If you not send the money, hurry up and tell me. Oh. Jesus Christ. After all, me beg you $50, you a ball. Me glad out jump a mill a wall, send you back down on your yard. Make you hungry like say you a dog, and your mouth full of white spot. Oh, me have couple family when no care for me. Never send clothes, never send no money. Only time me beg them are when me hungry. Oh, yo, me a tell you, yo, $50, me know that's the least. You know like me a beg and all know me can't say it. If you not send the money, hurry up and tell me. Oh, shadow star, yo. Me have gas till me a fast. Me family line up blood clot. Got the truth, me a tell her no lie, me don't talk. Say your money tall, but a lie it don't shot. You see 876 and the line get cut off. Never mind, me don't laugh. Y'all say you come fast. $220 can't find and you can't send off. Not even credit for my phone. I know me a go leave you alone. Me see picture with you in the mall. Caption your money tall. But it now answer your call, dog, answer your phone. Me feel it in my chest. In my jawbone. Me just too big. Yo, you know what? You have couple family, them no care for me. Never send clothes, never send no money. If you not send the money, hurry up and tell me. Oh, shadow star. Yo, $50, we know that at the least. You know, long me a beg and all know me can't say it. If you not send the money, hurry up and tell me. Oh, just tell me, no, I can't stop beg. Shadow star. $50, dog. What a family terrible, yo. Why, I tell you. You can't send $50. You don't have $225. Oh God, where I work for? $50.
The island tastes good, dog.